this song is also dedicated not only to the suffering, those who suffer because of health issues, but we dedicate it to all the children and the suffering in Manipur. As you know, there's so much happening and so less being spoken of. So my husband and I have spent many years in Manipur, and we feel so much for the strife-torn areas. We also dedicate this song to the suffering in Israel, the Gaza Strip, Palestine. We dedicate this to the suffering in Ukraine and different parts of Africa wherever there's war. So we sing this with tears in our eyes. Dona nobis pacem. Ti kalongkum ni nga kwa ki khna ki student jonga ki choir jonga lembat ka jing persyang jonga banginia ki sap ki phong ki bangidon bakan mentoy ya ke imlang salang pat ke bangala shem hakini ki snem kalong babon ki ba le pha sumar ki hospital ki bun ki baduk ki shushim ram ti kakta ba namar ba ime ipa jonga gila temen tingi ngasi yalam yiki hospital tengah kenduk bon ba ki baduk ti kakta ba nga ti ipa jonga iba Scotland do isi ong kapor bidang imi ong boleh family Pyndonkam la ka kwaya Pynmih raise funds ti kapor bidang ngam ju shim khyai kata namar bon ka kale ya ka jing sumar kapor kale ya ka jing sumar ti andai la khlat ngasukan mawi ki kentin iong le nak menta ka hospital ka ni commission hospital namar ba lakai ha ka to ka hospital ru nang ta email jo ngaru la san ha ka to ka hospital namar ba Peit jungi ide uwe ni ki doktor beneng kong ban join ban ya tre ha po hospital ba ki missionary ti yang ar lakha hang tu ngatrai kalong ke ba baro bon ki ba ha Shillong ki riurim mo kai ki to hospital tingong ngan burom ya kata ka jing kwa ka jong but ya kata ka jing tip lam jong aru wong ngan le
ngalak balai ibarat marwai hoi ngamlak balai henrei ngap berkat namenta bania snok tilang bat ki choir nang ta bat ki bri ki ba bat ki ba shikwan ba ki concert jungi tingong lang ba ka jing Rwai inya snok tilang ya baro te ngadon armut ki ni ki event manager ki ba kloy ki pelut Khubor armut ki kena Samla tadi ba Arshan Mitri ba di ba Steve pengrup perto sorry ti kini arngut ki Samla ki la le bor ba ban penbet ki program ban ai jingmut kumno ngin le ki ya kane ka jing ya Pisa Kani ka poor patient fund kan long pan Ïarap ikini ki beduk pat kumno ba ngin raise funds ngi kwa ban raise kat bangila nang tanga Peit kat bang anang ya lenti kumne ple ngai sem ba bon ki parlo ki bongan mata ka sengiru kila don lupa kata ka idea pat kila ai lupa sa ka hospital pikis ngotenat ba kami kum kani ka jingelum Pisa kanang ba parok hai kan long ka ba bed ka ba long transparent mo kan long ka ba hok kan ya bi sa ka hospital kan.
Will you build me a house? A house that really will be mine. Then let me give you my design. A simple schema. The house I dream of. Build my house of wood, build my house of stone, build my house of brick and mortar. Make the ceiling strong, strong against the storm, shelter when the days grow shorter. But build my house of love and paint my house with trusting and warm it with the warmth of your heart. Make the floor of faith, make the walls of truth, put a roof of peace above. Only build my house of love. Thank you.
Leng bahkan ni ko concert ngai ib ki bun ki sap ki bo per teng ngam poi per khati ki ki bo kham ile ran ru ne ne ki ayang ha stage ki long ta ki wei pat ki briu kan ti nge per syang kat bangila.
Gray skies, gloomy watches they cry. Green leaves wilting on the ground they lie. Birds migrating to find shelter as them moving so they can hide. As night approaches, watch as the moon rises to sparkle, show off its looks. Couple sitting by the riverside as birds sing and whistle their tune, their tune. As the sun goes down, watch as its colors change its shades to yellow, orange, and red too. Just trees dance as the breeze blows, but butterflies like to and fro, taking up its colors too, taking up its colors too. Take its colors too. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen. There's a grief that can't be spoken. There's a pain goes on and on. Empty chairs at empty tables. Now my friends are dead and gone. Here they talked of revolution. Here it was they lit the flame. Here they sang about tomorrow, and tomorrow never came. From the table in the corner, they could see a world reborn, and they rose with voices ringing, and I can hear them now, the very words that they have sung became their last communion on this lonely barricade at dawn. Oh, my friends, forgive me that I live and you are gone. There's a grief that can't be spoken. There's a pain goes on and on. Phantom faces at the windows, phantom shadows on the floor, empty chairs and empty tables where my friends will meet no more. Oh, my friends, don't ask me what your sacrifice was for. Empty chairs at empty tables where my friends will sing no
Ngisdang mentakasi dekan ika konsert berit ban pen itho iki bre ki ban ya snok tilem te ha ubnai September pada ngindan ki podcast haba ngin interview iki doktor lani kini ki health experts kumno ban ya samlem yaki kme ki kpa jong ki khlung khna namar ngadil bagi students ka eka bam ka bangin ai bangin light na kapang ti ngin interview ru kini ki break bana po MHIS hadu kanu ka trekam ka ek ba ki eki kendon ki ba pidi ban shim nang ta bat bun ki jing e ki ba ye kendu kum ki paj ba ka ek jing e ba ki kendu haba ki le ki hospital bat kum ju ki doctor ka ek jing e ka jong ki ba ki kendu haba ki deal ba ki patients haka khatnyau tarik jong Oktober pan ngindon ka panel discussion pat ngalai kren bi health minister ila kongo ban one nang ta begindon ki doktor na Robert Hospital kindon bat kibi kinong mikmat ngin penlong ya kane ka jing ka panel discussion haka perlidu school bat ngin khot iki school bagi college ki badon haka tu ka benta kanang bangin ya don Q&A session ngin pen smutu ka nya ki kena samla ru ka ka jing don kam ya haka kot ka khia ki ba kumno ka em jungi kumno ka routine jungi ki long ka bangin bam ngin di kumno ngin pen lek ya kapor haka khat pra tarik pede ngin pen long ka free health check up hangte hapo sosotham auditorium di kan sedang na men step but shwa kan sedang ka health check up ngin khot iki we pa ki school ki banak tu ki than ki school bagi college bagi nya sim bentalang haka ni ka panel discussion but haka to ka singi ngin don ru ki kinong mikmat ki baya de haka leng ka kot ka khia di kani ka program kan kut haka khat kan dai tarik jong Oktober pan ngin pelong ka concert baki wiki nong ya Rwai kini sim bentalem ken
Ba Khubor tin ra chung ha ba ro ni wan man ngu ya mi da jing ya ro ki si ba pha hangi me the ba ro ni hai pen dap jing im ba man ka si shocker hai ha bo jong jing sha rubin malakasi malakasi. Thank you.
Thank you, Naomi, for that beautiful, soulful rendition.
When I am down and know my soul so weary, when troubles come and my heart burdened be, then I am still and wait here in the silence until you come and sit a while with me. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. There is no life without its hunger. Each restless heart beats so imperfectly. But when you come and I am filled with wonders, sometimes I think I glimpse eternity. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up to more than I can be.
Ngapelong kan ka traffic jam namar bangal ajenjar banle ci ci ngatrai baru aki pas ngap ngakin ya menjur ba pinle ci pinle ar lai program kata kamut pinya be por melong bangai ladi ngastenat ban biang por tang ba bonsen lah habang adon arlait lik program ngamla shu nang takini ki kena kiba nga hikai begini biang kin bek kapor kin burom ya kapor abonsen ki mla shu namar ba wan tang kamtam kini ki gora line ki polo la jinjar ba ngila nang wat lenti sini setai tang ba mentap kitu gilenti re tu kila sakut te ka ngatarai ka sarkar ka hapan perkhat kumno ban kampen ben bahakalit kawan kan
Traffic jam, beep beep. Traffic jam, beep beep.
The city's crawling to a halt.
A fellow bumped but said it's my fault.
Chock-a-block, cause a mom
Now tell me where's the place to park?
left the house 5 minutes late. My kids are locked out of the school gate.
So who are my kids when I go to work? My wife is angry, my boss went berserk.
Traffic jam, beep beep. Traffic jam, beep beep. Bumper to bumper, it's a squeeze. Yet there's a siren that's telling us please to move over. It's a VIP, a very important dignitary. Minions move out of the way into a ditch. Now please don't delay. Traffic jam, beep beep. Traffic jam, beep beep. I offered my friend a lift. Her short reply was as swift, no thank you. I'm in a hurry, got too much to do.
Traffic jam, beep beep. Traffic jam, beep beep. Potholes grow bigger by the day. I saw a scooty slide downhill all the way, trying to skirt around the crater today.
Traffic jam, beep beep. Traffic jam, beep beep.
It's an impossibility for all of us to get in time from A to Z.
Think of solutions now, ASAP. ASAP. ASAP.